What if one piece of furniture could give you more space when you need it and disappear when you don't? Imagine taking a rough reclaimed timber that most people would overlook and turn into a beautiful piece of furniture that can fold, save space, and serve several purposes. That's exactly what we are exploring today. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Today we are taking reclaimed wood and transforming into a practical, stylish, and potential profitable piece of collapsible furniture. And the best part is, it does not have to look temporary. When it is open and ready to use, it can look like a carefully designed piece of modern furniture. When you don't need it, it can fold away neatly and help keep your room open. This is where smart woodworking meets smart home design. Why collapsible furniture is so useful. Modern homes don't always have a lot of extra space. A room might need to serve several purposes. A dining area might become a workspace. A small living room might need extra seating. A bedroom might need a temporary desk or table. That's why furniture that can change with the room can be incredibly useful. Instead of filling the room with permanent furniture, one well-designed piece can serve several purposes. Start with reclaimed timber. Our starting point is reclaimed timber. Old barn can have scratch, mark, knock, and natural character. Instead of trying to hide everything, we can make these details a part of the design. That natural appearance gives finished furniture warmth and personality. But always inspect reclaimed wood carefully and remove nails, screw, damaged section, and anything that could make the material unsafe. Choose strong, suitable boards. Not every piece of reclaimed timber is suitable for furniture. Look for boards that are strong and in good condition. Avoid severely cracked, rotten, or badly damaged pieces. Remember that a collapsed piece will be opened and closed repeatedly. The materials need to be handled normal use without becoming weak or unstable. Plan the furniture before building. Before making the first cut, decide exactly what the furniture needs to be done. Will it work as a table, a temporary desk, a serviette surface, a small workbench, or perhaps a decorative wall-mounted piece that opens when needed? The more clearly you define its purpose, the easier it becomes to create a useful design. Keep the shape simple. Collapsible furniture does not need complicated decorations. Clean lines can make the finished piece look more modern. Let the reclaimed wood provide the character. A simple shape also makes the furniture easier to use and easier to understand. Good design is not always about adding more. Sometimes it's about removing everything that is not necessary. Think about how it folds. This is one of the most important parts of the project. Before building, imagine the furniture in both positions. What does it look like when it is open? Where does each part move? What happens when it folds? Will anything hit another part? Does it fold flat enough for the space where it will be stored? Think through these movements before construction can save a lot of frustration later. Create strong connections. The furniture needs to stay together when it is being used. The connection points should be clear, carefully planned, and securely built. Don't focus on how the furniture looks. Think about how it will behave under normal loads. A beautiful collapsed table is not necessarily if it's shaken or moved when someone's used it. Use simple letter-locking support. One clever approach is to design parts that work together naturally. When the furniture is open, the support hold every in position. When it's time to fold the piece away, this support move with the design. The goal is to make the furniture feel stable when open and compact when closed. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country you are watching us from. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your DIY loving friend and family. Let's inspire more people to create beautiful space with their hands. Test the movement slowly. Don't immediately force the furniture through its full range of movement. Open it carefully, close it carefully. Watch how every part moves. Listen for rugged or unusual sounds. Look for places where wooden might collide. Small adjustments at this stage can make a huge difference. makes sustainable a priority. Space-saving furniture still needs to be feel solid. When the furniture is open, it should sit securely on the floor or against its supporting surface. Think carefully about where the height will go. If the furniture is wall-mounted, use appropriate mounting hardware and attach it to a structure capable of supporting the exact load. Never rely on appearance alone when deciding where something is strong enough. Smooth the reclaimed wood. Now we can start improving the appearance of the timber. Sand away rough areas, smooth the surface, soften hard edges, but don't feel like you have to erase every mark. Some of these old marks are what makes reclaimed wood interesting. Highlight the natural character. Reclaimed timber can have beautifully grain pattern and subtle variation in color. A suitable finish can bring those details forward. The goal is to make the wood look international rather than unfinished. That's what helps turn reclaimed material into attractive furniture. Choose a finish that fits the design. You can keep the wood natural. You can use a warm stain, or you could choose a darker finish for a more dramatic appearance. Think about the room where the furniture will live. The finish should complete the surrounding decor. Create a piece with multiple use. Here is where the project becomes even more interesting. Instead of making furniture that perform only one job, design it to adapt. It could become a dining table when needed, a workspace during the day, a craft surface for creating projects, or simply a decorative furniture and future when folded away. One piece can serve several roles. Make it look like good when it's closed. Make it look good when it is closed. This detail is easy to overlook, but if the furniture spend a lot of time folding away, it should still look attractive. Don't treat the fold position as an afterthought. Design it so that the closed version can blend naturally into the room. That's what makes collapsible furniture feel intentional. Turn functional into design. The moving parts does not have to be ugly. Instead of trying to hide every functional detail, incorporate them into the overall design. Clean hardware and simple shape can actually add a modern industrial character. Function can become part of the beauty. Think about small homes. This type of furniture can be specially used in apartments, studios, small house, guest room, and multiple purpose space. When floor space is limited, every piece of furniture has to be earn its place. A collapsible design can help you get more use from the same area. Make better use of woodworking materials. This project also gives reclaimed wood another purpose. Instead of sending usable timber to the waste pile, you can turn into something functional. That reduces the waste and can also reduce your material cost. But always choose materials based on sustainability, not simply because they are available. Build with profit in mind. If you are interested in selling handmade furniture, collapsible design can be an interesting product category. Customers often look for furniture that solves a problem. Space is a problem, storage is a problem, multi-purpose rooms are a problem. A well-designed piece of furniture can provide a solution, and that's where real value comes from. Sell the solution, not just the wood. Don't tell customers that you are simply selling reclaimed timber. Explain what the finished furniture does. It saves space, it serves multiple purposes, it adds natural character to the room, and it gives reclaimed material a second life. You are selling the design and the solution, not just the raw material. Create different size. Once you have a successful design, consider creating different variations. Small variation could work in an apartment. A medium variation could work as an home office desk. A large variation could become a dining or craft table. Different size can help you reach different customers. Offer different finish. You could offer natural wood, a warm rustic finish, a dark modern finish, or even a combination of wood and painted elements. Give a customer a few carefully selected options can make a product feel more personalized. Focus on quality. When you are selling furniture, small details matter. Smooth surface, clean edge, properly aligned parts, secure connection, a consistent finish. These details can make the difference between something that looks handmade, and something that looks professionally crafted. Photograph the transformation. If you are selling your work online, show the journey. Photography the rough reclaimed timber, show the building process, show the finished furniture open, then show it's folded away. This helps potential customers immediately understand the value of the design. Telling the story behind the wood. Reclaimed furniture has a story built into it. That old timber has another purpose before becoming your furniture. Instead of hiding that story, use it. Tell the people that the material has rescued and give a new purpose. Sustainable can become part of the product identity. Don't sacrifice safety or space. Space saving furniture still needs to be safe. Make sure moving apart are designed carefully. Avoid pinch points where possible. Make sure the furniture cannot unexpectedly collapse during normal use. Use suitable hardware and support. Test the finished piece carefully before selling it. Make it easy to use. Wood furniture should not require a complicated instruction manually just to open. The movement should feel natural. People should quickly understand how it works. If a customer needs to fight with the furniture every time they use it, the design needs improvement. Let the reclaimed wood become the feature. One of the best things about this project is the contrast. The design can be modern, the functional can be practical, but the wood can remain natural and rustic. That combination creates a unique look that can work in many different interiors. Think beyond the table. The same idea can be used for many types of furniture: fold-down desk, collapsed dining table, folding work surface, wall-mounted craft tables, fall-away kitchen countertops, compact bench, small workshop station. The possibilities are enormous. The bigger lesson is the real lesson is not simply how to build one collapsible piece of furniture. It's learning to think differently about space and materials. Instead of asking, what can I build from this wood? Ask, what problem can I solve with this wood? That question can lead to much more valuable design. Final inspiration: a pile of reclaimed timber may look rough and ordinary, but with the right idea, it can become furniture that is practical, beautiful, sustainable, and valuable. And when that furniture fold away, adapt to different use, and save precious space, you have created something even more useful. That's the power of thoughtful woodworking. So, there you have it, a simple idea for turning reclaimed timber into collapsible furniture design for modern living. The beauty is not just in the wood, it is the way the furniture solves a real problem. It is safe space, it serves multiple purposes, it gives reclaimed timber a second life, and with careful craftsmanship, it can become a product that people are genuinely willing to pay for. If you are a woodworker looking for a profitable project, don't only think about what looks beautiful. Think about what people actually need. A small apartment needs space. A home office needs flexibility. A multiple purpose room needs functional furniture that can adapt. And that's where a clever woodworking idea can become more than just a product. It can become a business opportunity. So, the next time you see a pile of reclaimed timber, don't immediately think about the waste. Think about the possibility one piece of old wood could become a completely new solution. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. And tell us, would you use this collapsed furniture as a desk, dining table, a coffee table, a craft table, or something completely different? Thanks for watching, keep creating, and we will see you in the next woodworking project.